Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will make Amsotto Paka Aam diye or mango bar or mango candy with ripe mango. It's a traditional Bengali recipe. It can be made with unripe as well as ripe mango. The link to my Amsotto recipe with raw mango is given below. It can be served as an appetizer, dessert, or can be cooked with other ingredients to make chutney. If you like the recipe, then please subscribe and like my channel. You can also leave your comments below. To make Amsotto, first we have to collect the flesh of the ripe mango. 4 in a bowl. Take off the skin. Seed is not used. Then grind ripe mango in a mixture and grinder into a fine paste. Make sure there is no mango lump remaining. Pour the mango paste into a non-stick pan. Add sugar about 1 cup. Mix well. The sugar will melt and make the paste much thinner. Artificial sweetener can also be used. If desired, food color or food essence can be used. Added salt about 1/8 teaspoon. This will enhance the sweetness of the Amsotto without adding more sugar. Salt can be added before as well. Taste it. Add more sugar if required. My sweetness is good. Keep stirring so that the paste does not get stuck at the bottom of the pan. Cook in low to medium heat till the paste becomes thick and sticky. I've cooked for about 25 to 30 minutes in low to medium heat. As you can see, the texture has changed. The mixture has become thick and sticky. Switch off the gas. Do not cool the mixture as it will start becoming solid as it cools down. Take a flat surfaced container like a baking tray or plate, etc. Grease it thoroughly with ghee or oil. Unsalted butter can also be used. I have used ghee about 1 teaspoon in each tray. This will allow Amsotto to come out easily once dried. Pour the warm mango mixture onto the tray. Pour all in one tray for thicker layer. Otherwise, pour in 2 trays. I have poured in 2 trays. Shake it to settle down the mixture and distribute it evenly in the tray. With a spoon or a small ruler or knife, the top part can be made even. It is optional. Then put the tray out in the sun with a mesh over it till it dries completely. Time for drying will depend upon how long we are keeping the tray in the sun and how strong is the sun rays and heat. For me, it took about 4 days to dry up. For thicker layer, about 7 days will be required. We are back after 4 days. As you can see, the Amsotto is coming out easily. It's like a smooth, thin sheet of mango. A nice aroma of mango and ghee is coming out. Hold the Amsotto sheet at both sides to prevent Amsotto tearing apart. With a knife or pizza cutter, cut it into small pieces of choice. Eat it as a dessert or appetizer or add to other ingredients to make chutney. It can be stored in an airtight container for more than 6 months. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.